They call me white noise because I'm non-threatening. They call me white. They call me white noise because you don't need to pay attention to what I'm saying. They call me white noise because you can't tell if I'm happy or sad. They call me white noise because you shouldn't invest money in me. They call me white noise because if I'm too loud, I'm distracting. That's what. Call me white noise because I don't take up a lot of room. They call me white noise because you don't associate me with food. They call me white noise because you shouldn't listen to me while there's a violin playing. They call me white noise because they call me ambiance. I'm very calming. They call me white noise because sometimes I'm confusing. They call me white noise because everyone can hear me. They call me white noise because you don't listen to me in celebration. Yeah. They call me white noise because teachers don't address me. They call me white noise because ideally I help you study.
Hey Reese, it's Steven.
They call me white noise because it's rude to play me during a phone call. Do they play white noise at the hospital?
No, they did not.
They call me white noise because I don't belong in a hospital. They call me white noise because sometimes I'm in places I'm not supposed to be. They call me white noise because I don't make sense as a tattoo.
No.
They call me white noise because sometimes I get burnt out.
I prefer black noise.
They call me white noise because suddenly I'm sudden. They call me white noise because Catholics don't listen to me. They call me white noise because you can't smell me. They call me white noise because I can get boring eventually.
Hell yeah.
They call me white noise because I missed lunch. White noise because I'm a one-trick pony. They call me white noise because I got nothing to hide. Oh my gosh. They call me white noise because Morgan told me there's a movie named after that. It's about ghosts. White noise. They call me white noise because I'm repetitive. They call me white noise because you don't need 20/20 vision to see me.
Hey.
They call me white noise because sometimes I'm surprising. Alba tumultum. But they call me white noise because I don't speak Latin. They call me white noise because I'm devoid of emotion. They call me white noise because I have nothing to do with mechanics.
What?
They call me white noise because I'm not in focus. They call me white noise because people don't laugh when they hear me talk. They call me white noise because I don't have anything to do with memory. They call me white noise because you really can't focus on one part of me. They call me white noise because I keep referring to myself as white noise. They call me white noise because people are sick of me and I should be productive. They call me white noise because I make a lot of noise and I'm white. They call me white noise because I'm a lot longer than a minute. They call me white noise because they should play me at the library. They call me white noise because you shouldn't listen to me while you're driving. They call me white noise because my grandma loves the sound of me. They call me white noise, 'cause it's time for bed. They call me white noise, 'cause I'm relaxing. They call me white noise, 'cause I don't make mistakes.
Oh, Alex sent me a snap.
They call me white noise.
God damn it.
They call me white
God
noise.